welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we have these some points which we already import, and we will explain this in the upcoming tutorials. Now we will create some manual points. So how we can create manual points, as I explained in the previous lecture, that in a couple of ways we can create our points from here, from the perspective tab, and also we can from the toolbars, and also we can go to this menu bar. So we can just select here, or we can just select from here, create. So this pop-up menu will open, and now we can just go to this default layer is okay, and also we can just select stick nothing, and we can just select the first one is manual. So now we will just click here, and if we click on this small arrow, you can see here the small arrow. Once you click on this small arrow, and now you will see the manual option. So click here, or if you don't want to click from here, you can just go to the points, and from the points, once you click here and put your cursor here on the miscellaneous, you will see the manual option also here. So we will just click on this, create, and now we will click on this small arrow and click on the manual. Now if you go to the command bar from here, okay, so now if you check the command bar from here, you can see the please specify a location for new points. So now you need to enter, if you have the coordinate, you need to enter the coordinate. So let me enter the coordinate from here. I have the coordinate for the one benchmark. We will enter the same benchmark here. So 541526.542. Now I will enter comma, and I will enter string 2264 and 86.618, and now I will press enter from my keyboard. Now it's asking me enter a point name. Also you can see near the cursor, and also you can see the same option on the command bar. So which one is okay for you, you can use the same method. So now I'll enter the name. So let me enter BM1. Okay, so this is our benchmark number 1. So I will press enter. Now it's asking enter a point description. So if you want to enter a point description, you can enter any description for this point. Okay, so let me just enter this description, anyone, and here is asking enter the point elevation. So let me enter 100 elevation. You can enter manually. So press enter, and now you will see that your point is created here successfully. Okay, so we will check it. So if you want to create again next point, you can just create the next point, or you can just press escape, so you will go out from the command. So let me check it. This one we have the point. We can see here this is 100 is the elevation number, and also we enter the V. So if you want to change the name for as a BM, you can just change it from here. Just go to edit points, and once you go to the edit points, you can see here BM, and I will just click. Now you can see the name is changed from here, BM. You can easily change any point description, name, or anything from here, as it's same as it is I explained. So if you check the coordinate ID from the help of ID entering command, you can just check the coordinate from this one. So the same as it is coordinate which we enter, so this is the same coordinates. So the next method is also, if you want to create a manual point but use a automatic, here you can just select here the point elevation automatic, and here you can just click automatic the point name, and you can just select it automatic. So now if you click anywhere, it will create automatically. You can see that it will create manual points. How much you want, you can just enter automatically. The level, each and everything, description, it will create automatically. So whatever you want to give, you can just create all this select. If you want to select this manual, you can use manual, and you need to enter all the required data information as manual. Okay, so this is about how to create a manual points.